Good evening, students, and I welcome you. Our session is main objective is to solve the sample papers for the 2021 CBSE chemistry paper and also to learn each and every reaction, revise the course through these question setup papers, and also do the variations in the questions. That the same type of trend is there. What other questions can be put up in the coming 20121 CBSE sample paper, which we have. So the final paper which will come will have a similar type of questions, but questions can be different based on NCERT book. Clear? This we know. Therefore, we have to study each and every word, each and every line of the NCERT syllabus which is given to us. Is it clear? And we have to
Yes,
solve
sir.
all the questions which are provided by the NCERT. Now the question is how these questions will be put up in the 2021 coming examinations. And here is a sample, here is a trend. Okay, the paper will be of this type. So we have already exposed to you how the paragraphs will be solved, reasoning, assertive type of questions, objective type of questions. One thing is clear. What is clear? Tell me what is clear till now, whatever we have done in the previous sample paper lectures. What is clear? Tell me what you have learned so far. Did you find any conclusion? What the papers which we have uploaded in YouTube also, what we are trying to tell you, students?
Sir, the questions have to be understood,
Hmm.
read carefully,
Hmm.
and no mugging will help in the paper.
I thank you very much. Finally, you got my point. Each and every word line should be read, especially in paragraphs. Mark the important points, students, and read the question very carefully. Every word, every line will speak something to a student, and important points are there in every paragraph from which questions will be put up. Similarly, in assertive and reasoning, when we have four choices, student, we have to be very careful that this is the correct statement, correct reason or false reason, and whether the reason is supporting or is the reason for the statement which is given student assertion. All these possibilities are there, and therefore a lot of focus and concentration is required. Focus, concentration on the paper, exact. And those students who have a background, who have a knowledge of the all the book have been read very thoroughly, for them it is not a difficult paper. And there is nothing to get scared when you get long paragraphs or long type of questions. Take time to read it, student. More time should be taken to understand the question before you answer the question, students. If we don't understand the question, our answer will not be right. No guesswork will work. That is clear. Last time, where did we stop, student? We have done paragraphs, then we have done in previous two videos, which we have uploaded in the YouTube. If you have students can see them, they are already in the YouTube. Those who have subscribed our channel, student, we have already discussed a large number of important questions. We have discussed these, what is coming on the screen, students.
Yes, sir,
This
we
we have
understood
already
them.
discussed with you,
Yes, sir.
ambient nucleophile.
Yes, sir,
Did we
this was the
discuss this
last
part?
question.
This question was discussed.
Uh, yeah, no, sir, this question was not discussed.
All right, students. So we are going to do the second part, the third part of the sample paper released by the CBSE students. We are going to solve it, and you will be with me. You will be with me, students, and we will try to see what type of variations are there in the question, student. I hope, students, you have got the energy to start. Do you have energy? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Are you
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then we are ready, student. And the question is on the screen. As I said, there is no choice, but internal choices have been provided, which is are good enough for us students. Here is a question, student, on the screen. The formula of the coordination compound, student. Tetraamine aqua chlorido cobalt 3 chlorides. You can see that when I have discussed the coordination compounds, I said IUPAC nomenclature. One question will be there. Did I tell you yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by there are rules, student, by which we give the IUPAC names or write the formulas? And we must know what are these rules, students. If we are not thorough about the rules, then what we will do, we cannot answer the question. So before I see the answer, I can try to make an attempt to write the answer. You can see that this is tetraamine NH3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tetraamine is how many NH3
Four.
ligands are there?
Four.
Four ligands
Four.
are there. And there is a aqua also. How many?
One H2O. One.
One H2O ligand is there. Then chlorido. What is how many? One
One.
Cl.
One
You know
Cl.
that these are neutral ligand, and this has a chlorido, means it is
Minus
anionic
one.
ligand. It is anionic ligand, student.
Yes, sir.
And then further you are given cobalt, student, in which oxidation state? Plus
Three.
3. And chloride is there. Chloride is there, student. This is given to us. So when we write the formula, student, what are the rules which we told? But what are the rules, student? When we write the formula of the compound, what we do first? What we write first? The central metal,
The central metal atom. Cobalt.
ion. Tetraamine cobalt 3 chloride, because this is a cationic complex, as you can see, student.
Yes, sir.
The first one is the central metal ion. Then alphabetically, what you write? What is
It
the
will
name of
be
this? A double M
NH3.
I N.
Amine.
What is the name of this?
Aqua.
AQUA,
UA.
aqua.
And
This is
then
anionic
chlorido.
ligand chlorido. And therefore, student, which will come first, student?
Amine.
A, but M comes first, amine. And since this has polyatomic molecule, student, you can see, okay, 4 atoms. So we are putting them in the parentheses. How many are there? 4, student. Okay, 4. How many? 4. Okay, 4.
Four. Four.
Tetraamine. And after that, aqua, how many?
Aqua 1. H2O.
Aqua 1. Then after A comes C,
One chlorine.
1 Cl. It's only a single atom, no parenthesis, no parenthesis.
Yes, sir.
This is closed, student. Now the question problem will start that how many Cl2 we put, student? How many Cl2 we put, student? How will I find the number of Cl? That will be the problem for the student. Tell me, how do you find how many Cl will be there? How many Cl I have to put so that the oxidation number of cobalt plus 3 is balanced. If I have this, student, according to this, what is the oxidation number of cobalt according to this? Cl is -1. This is +1.
Cobalt
Right.
is in +3. Cobalt is in
So
+3.
+1 is here. If I want +3, then what should be the charge, student, on this? If it becomes what should
-2. It should be -2.
-2?
+2. +2.
+2.
Then
Be
-2
careful,
will
be
be
careful.
chlorine.
If it has +2, student, if the charge will become +2, then it will become cobalt 3. Then it will become cobalt 3. Is it clear? So then how it will become
Yes, sir.
+2 if I put how many Cl, student?
2 Cl.
Cl. Okay. So that
Yes,
should
sir.
be Cl2, student. Is it?
A question. A number.
So students, when we can do this formula, then we know now this is our answer. Answer is known to us, which is matching.
A.
A is matching. Okay. This you again. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. My answer is A. See that one of these questions could be there. Always either he will say this or name. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Or he will ask you to he will give a formula to name the compound, and one question is 100% going to be there. Nobody can stop it. It is always asked. So we have to know Our purpose is to answer the question as well as give a revision. Give a revision that what are the rules, students, and how do we write the formulas of the coordination compounds. So any doubt up to now, students?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question is on the screen, student. Which set of ion exhibit specific colors, student? Now, when I say, I read it very carefully, which ions exhibit specific colors. These are which are atomic: scandium, titanium, vanadium, manganese, iron, nickel, copper, zinc. These are the 3D transition series.
Yes, sir.
And we know, students, the color is due to what, student?
The color is due to the excitation of electrons,
What do you call it? A DD
DD
transitions.
transition.
And you know what do you mean by DD transition, student? You know that there are 5D orbitals, and when there are ligands, student, what happens? When there are ligands, there is a splitting of the, you have
D
seen
orbital.
crystal field
Crystal
splitting,
field splitting.
students.
Yes, sir.
All right, this image is in my mind already, student, that there are two set of T2G transcendental uh, G, which are having the electron densities in between the plane, student, and there are two X square, Y square, and that DC square, where the electron density is along the axis, students. So you've seen in octahedral there is a splitting which takes place, student, and the splitting is the result of, you already know, student, what is happening. One, two, three, and this type of splitting takes place, student, in octahedral. In octahedral, we are aware of it. This is not the answer, just we are explaining everything, student, for ourselves. If you have any doubt, you know
Yes,
that
sir.
these were 5D generate orbital, student, and they have got split up. So if there will be excitation of electron, you are saying if electrons can absorb energy, student, in the visible region, then you have seen complementary colors we have drawn it, student. This is called T2G to EG transition or DD transition. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Did I revise the crystal field splitting? Because questions will be
Yes,
there
sir.
on that also in the paper, students. Okay, tell me what condition I told you when substances will be colored. Just one condition on the basis of which, what is the trick?
Presence of unpaired electrons.
Unpaired electron, students. If there is an unpaired electron, student, then this will happen. That is the point. So we have a trick, student. Anything, if there is an unpaired electron, then it will absorb light and it will be okay. Then I'm going further, student. If you see here in the first case, I see scandium 3 plus. And we are so sure about scandium 3 plus is what? 18 argon.
Argon 18.
There is nothing here, student. Zero electrons are there in the D. So wherever scandium is
Yes,
root,
sir.
that is not possible. So I don't have to go further. I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
understand the trick.
Yes,
This
sir.
cannot be colored. This cannot, I don't see the further, because scandium 3 plus combination will not be a colored combination, student. There are not one, three ions have been given. But wherever scandium, now only two are left. Only two are left.
Sir, even titanium 4 plus will be argon only. So it will be also
So
out of option.
titanium 4 plus is also 18 argon.
Argon.
So these are
So fourth
these
will
are
also be not
nothing
there.
but you are saying that there is nothing in the D here. 4s 0 3d 0, 4s 0 3d 0. So this is also not the, then what is left is the C answer only.
Third
So my
option.
answer is C. So you can see that in answering the question, student, we use the basics. I mean, because we can write the electron configuration, which is very essential, and atomic number he has given. So we are lucky and happy that they have given the atomic numbers. If they are not given, I expect that we know already for the 3D series. I already said learn it for 3D series because this is very important. You already know, students, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc should be known to us. Start with 21 and 30. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, this we already know. Yeah, and argon is 18, so that we already. So this solves large number of questions in the coming paper, students. And those who are not sure of this, they will be unconfused, under strong doubt. And intelligence and common sense and whatever tricks are possible to shorten the time in answering the question, we will tell you all that. All right. So we try to see all possibilities, whatever is possible. Okay, no problem. So answer was here C, student. Okay, another interesting question is coming, student. Such questions will be there in the paper in a different way. They can ask us. Here he has given a flow diagram. Something else can happen. Now, students, if I have, let me learn the chemistry which I am talking of. CH3, CH2, Cl. If I go from A, student, first A, reacts with alcoholic KOH. Tell me what type of reaction is this? What type of reaction is this, students? These are
This
the,
is
which chapter I am talking about? Hello,
haloalkanes and haloarenes.
haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is a very important topic because from this we can synthesize large number of the organic compounds as a basic thing. Student is a convert factor to convert it into other compounds. Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the reaction which I am talking about? Which
Sir,
reaction is this?
this is dehydrohalogenation.
Okay, let me see. Dehydrohalogenation. Elimination reaction, student.
Yes, sir.
Elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. What type of elimination is this known as, student?
Beta
Further.
elimination.
Okay, I have this already in my mind. So I've learned it in the NCRT, I am sure. So then what happens, student? What is the product in such case, student? What you will
Ethene.
get?
Ethene.
Plus,
CH2CH.
what
Yes.
is the loss?
HCl.
HCl is
HCl.
lost. This is my A, student. Okay. What is the B, student? CH3,
Ethanol.
CH2, Cl
OH.
reacts with aqueous KOH. What type of reaction is this, student?
This is nucleophilic substitution.
Nucleophilic substitution reaction, student. So what is the product?
SN2.
CH3,
CH2C.
CH2OH, which is
OH.
my B here, student.
B.
Further, student, I would like to see what is C, student. CH3, CH2Cl is reacted with AgCN. What
AgCN.
type of reaction is this? Tell me fast, student.
This is also nucleophilic substitution. It will be NC here. SN2 mechanism NC.
This will be NC in
Yes, sir.
AgCN. In AgCN, it will
Yes,
be
sir.
CH3,
CH2
CH2N
NC.
triple bond C, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is my C, student. Can you tell me why this product is formed here? Why do you
Sir,
get this?
sir, because we know that CN is an ambident nucleophile.
Then what happened? Why the nitrogen formed bond here, not the carbon?
Sir,
Carbon bond is more stable than carbon nitrogen bond,
because
student.
yes, sir, AgCN is covalent and nitrogen is the free to
Covalent.
donate electron pair.
You don't have here Cn minus ion. So this is not dissociating into ions, student. So carbon is already bonded, then only nitrogen is available. All right. Let me see, this is product C. Then what is the final reaction? CH3, CH2Cl is reacted with KCN, student. You are
KCN
saying this is plus and this is minus.
minus. This is
So then
SN2
carbon
mechanism
is
and
available.
CN.
CH3, CH2, and C triple one N is my D. Now what is then correct answer then?
Option is A. A option.
A is C2H4, B is C2H5H, C is C2H5NC, and D is CH3. Then A is the correct answer, student. Answer is A in the paper, student. A answer. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So we can easily give an answer, but we have to work out, student. Unless I do the question, I do not know the correct answer. Without doing it, I cannot make a guesswork. Okay. Finally, okay, students, thank you very much. Uh, we are coming to another important question. Student, crystal shows what chapter is this, student? Fast. This is from
This
which?
is solid state. Solid state.
The solid state, student. And in the solid state, you have learned about the defects. In the solid, student, how many types of defects we told you? Stoichiometric
Uh, Stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric.
and one more,
Impurity.
impurity. Impurity, student. What type of defect is Frankel defect is?
Frankel defect is a stoichiometric defect.
Stoichiometry. Which type of stoichiometry defect?
Stoichiometric defect in ionic solids.
Ionic solids. What is happening in the Frankel defect, student?
Frankel defect is a dislocation defect.
Dislocation defect. We know about it, student. Then what happens?
The smaller ion, usually the cation, leaves from its position and enters into an interstitial site.
The smaller ion. ठीक है, smaller.
Smaller ion, usually cation.
The positive. Huh? It
Yes,
moves
sir.
to the interstitial
Interstitial site.
site. And what is then? What? Where is it happening, student? Four pictures are given to us. What is it? A. This is
In
made from A plus and B minus.
A.
So A is smaller and B is larger. Then what is where is the Frankel defect? Which crystal is showing out of this? These are the
A.
A. This A plus is here. This has come to the interstitial site. This has not here. This is not here. You can see that missing. Missing. Where it is gone? Here. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Can I see it, students? So the correct answer will be
A.
A. What will happen to the density of the crystal? Variation in the question, students.
There will be no effect on density.
No effect on density because the particles are same number in the crystal lattice. Nothing has come or nothing has gone out. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And example of this?
Example is AgCl, AgBr, ZnS.
These are the examples of this, student. And AgCl, AgBr, and there are whatever examples are there. Usually, which ionic solids will show this? When the size of
There is a large difference in the size of an ion and cation.
large difference in size. ठीक है? Between the
Yes, sir.
plus and minus. All this is a revision for what we have done, students. You are aware of it. Okay. We are prepared for the exam, student. Okay, student. Further coming, students, to question number 12 to 16. He says in the following question 12 to 16, a statement of assertion followed by statement of reason is given. Choose the correct answer out of the following choices. One trick I have said to you, if I read the four choices: assertion, reason, correct. Reason, correct explanation. ठीक है? Assertion, reason,
Yes, sir.
both correct, but reason not correct explanation. Assertion, correct statement, but reason wrong statement. Assertion wrong, but reason correct. If I get the same order, but if I reshuffle it, what will happen? But you see that if I is no fixed rule that every time these statements are like this. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
There is a sequence which we are experiencing in all the question, but I don't know if the sequence is changed, what will happen. Therefore, we must read each and everything. Don't take anything blindly. ठीक है? If he
Yes, sir.
puts A and this D, what will happen? I don't know. I mean, can I stop anyone? No. So we have to read the four ABCD assertions. And but one thing is clear, student, the easiest, these two are the most easiest. If ever you always, the trick here is very simple after reading it. If assertion is wrong, A point. If assertion is wrong, student, not point. Assertion is wrong, then the answer is always D here. Then I don't see anything else. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I don't waste my time because it is clear. The assertion wrong, then there is only one possibility, D. And if assertion correct and reason wrong, okay? If assertion correct and reason wrong, then what is the choice? C. The confusion is only among A and B. We have to focus more on that. There is the problem, student. Doubt factor are going to be here. Where? A and B. So we'll pay more attention, student, at A and B point. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Where is the flaw in
A
these
and B.
choices four given to me? C and D is not a problem, but A and B I have to decide, student, whether this reason is a correct explanation of the assertion or not. Assertion is a statement of fact, students. So let us see what I am trying to say. Question number 12, assertion. The two strands of DNA are complementary to each other. Tell me, is it correct statement, student?
The two strands of DNA are complementary. Yes, sir.
You have seen the structure of the nucleic acid.
Yes,
What
sir.
was the structure given for DNA, student? Who gave it double helix structure?
Watson and Crick.
And they got a Nobel Prize for that. What they said, the two strands of DNA are complementary. In my lecture, I have clearly shown you that
Yes, sir.
this is a correct statement. The hydrogen bonds are bound between specific pair of bases. Tell me yes or no.
It is also correct. Yes, sir.
Because
Correct.
I've shown you, student, in our lecture how the hydrogen bonds are there between the bases, very specific pairs. Very specific pairs are there, student. Completely we have shown you. So is that the reason for the two strands are to be complementary?
No, sir. This is not the reason.
This is not the reason. Then what is the reason? Tell me. What is the reason, student, if this is not the reason? We have shown you the hydrogen bond structures also in the three-dimensional pictures, the pictures which I brought on the screen, student. If these hydrogen bonds are not formed, then they cannot be complementary. This is actually the reason for this.
Okay. A.
This is the reason, student. This is a reason that they are complementary. There is a very specific type of hydrogen bonding between pairs. We have told you the combination also. Combination.
Yes, sir.
In NCERT book also, student.
Yes.
What
Sir.
combinations are there? Only those basis combinations are there. We have shown it. A question has been asked on that, student. So this is the correct reason for the A, student. Then what is the correct answer here?
Okay. A.
A. Answer of 12th is, student, A. Got it? You can check the NCERT.
Yes,
read it very carefully. This statement is also taken from NCERT book, students. And you will see there he has not shown the picture of that, but we have shown you in our lectures the pictures. How many hydrogen bonds are being formed in the opposite bases. All right, student, we are coming to question number 13. 13 says ozone is thermally stable with respect to oxygen. Is this statement correct or wrong?
It is wrong.
This statement is not correct. Huh? This
Wrong.
is a wrong statement. Then I don't go further, student. I told
D.
you the trick. Wrong means
Yes,
then
sir.
I
D.
will end up with answer
D.
Okay, no problem. not need to waste my time, student. 13th question. The answer will be D. But if you want to read it, you can read it. This will be correct. This will be correct statement if you read it. Decomposition of ozone into oxygen results in liberation of heat. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You know, you have seen, student. Now to give a more knowledge to that, what happens? You have 2O3. It decomposes to give 3O2. And students, what happens? Heat is liberated. This this formation of ozone is endothermic process, student. NCRT statement. You read the NCRT. Which chapter I am talking about, student? Group 16 family. Dioxygen and ozone.
Yes, sir. P block.
Dioxygen and ozone, student. This question is from ozone. That ozone is unstable. It will dissociate to give oxygen, and it is the reaction will give heat also. And also you see, will there will increase in entropy or decrease in this? As you produce oxygen from ozone, delta S is greater than 0. Important. Are equations are put in different way. This is a variation in the questions which I am talking about. My purpose is to
Okay.
show you what type of questions could be there.
Okay.
And this statement is wrong or correct? This is correct statement.
Correct.
All right. So we could answer this question, student. Question number 14 is on the screen, student. Aquatic species are more comfortable in cold waters rather than warm water. Is it correct statement?
Yes, sir.
It is correct. Okay, correct. Now, reason different gases have different KH value. Is this correct statement or not?
Yes, sir. It is correct.
It is correct statement. This statement is also correct. Is it the reason that aquatic species are more comfortable? Tell me. Is it the reason?
No, sir.
No. So this is not the reason for the assertion. Not the reason. Then which is the correct answer?
B.
14th.
B.
Answer B. Okay. Any doubt up to now?
No, sir.
All right. Pay attention, students. Pay attention. Pay attention, because I will take you and explain each and everything and all the
Yes, sir.
possible variations in the question paper, students. I have to focus, concentrate. Without this, I can't do. I have to understand. Tertian nitric acid and water form maximum boiling azeotrope, student. Azeotrope. What is an azeotrope, student? Which chapter I'm talking about? Which chapter I'm talking?
Solutions.
Solution.
Solutions.
We studied about azeotrope, student.
Yes, sir.
What happens
As
when
azeotropes
azeotrope?
are binary mixtures which have same composition in both liquid and vapor phase, and
Binary mixtures.
boil at a constant temperature.
Does the nitric acid and water form a azeotrope? In the
Uh,
NCRT book, they have written something about that.
yes, sir. They form azeotrope.
Which type of azeotrope? There are two types of azeotrope: maximum boiling and minimum boiling.
They form maximum boiling.
Why they form maximum boiling?
Sir, they form maximum boiling azeotrope because they show large negative deviation from Raoult's law.
Okay. What is the trick? What is the trick which I want to tell you? Dekho, how will I remember everything in the paper, student? When it is maximum, student, this is plus side, then this will be what type of deviation? Negative deviation.
Negative.
Maximum boiling point. ठीक है? And I am saying maximum, then I am saying negative. Minimum. So negative. ठीक है? What type of deviation is it? Negative deviation.
Negative.
Two types of deviations we studied, student, in ideal solutions: positive and negative deviation. This is just a catch, student, to understand, to remember certain things. because sometimes the element of doubt is there. So this is a correct statement you are saying. Azeotrophs are binary mixture having same composition liquid, and is it the correct statement?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
It is also correct, student. Does it, this is the reason that they form maximum boiling azeotrophs, student?
No, sir.
No, this is not the reason. Not the reason for the assertion. Then what is my answer, student?
B.
So here the answer of this is, student, B. Okay. Up to now, I hope we have energy and focus, student, because we may lose it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
When you go for the paper, at least, student, in the morning, paper starts at what time?
10. 10:30, basically.
Anyway, you have to reach around 9:30.
Yes, sir.
You will take some light breakfast before that, because you will have to think a lot, student. Okay? Because my mind needs glucose, student, energy. Otherwise, energy can drop. All these questions require, I mean, a very strong amount of thinking. If I lose a concentration, student, there is nothing that I mug up the things, go and just produce it. There was a time when such questions were asked. You know that earlier papers, students will mug up and go and just, and what the students were having, student, you have heard about cheating papers. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
because they were saying, oh, this question, okay, they have paragraphs. Nothing is coming like that. So here, some amount of energy level should be high. Therefore, student, our fitness should be correct. So you can take, student, I mean, a proper breakfast, not a heavy one, so that you have sufficient energy, student. And if those children who can't take anything, they can take some fruit, student. Fruit, has plenty of glucose energy, and slow energy is provided by that. Okay? You can
Yes,
take
sir.
an apple, students, and you can take milk, and then rather than taking heavy things is not good for the exam. Because children study late nights, then you can't digest the food. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Or you can take apple, fruit, student, some fruit, and a cup of milk, student, uh, and whatever other thing you want, student. And sometimes you can take a roti of ajwain and some desi ghee. What I'm saying? Ajwain roti and 1 spoon of desi ghee.
Yes, sir.
I'm not talking of butter. I'm talking of desi ghee. You are aware now. We are science people. We understand what is the difference between that unsaturated and saturated fats. Student, what we
Saturated.
take.
Yes.
They provide sufficient heat in the body for 3 hours. 3 to 8 becomes 4 hours, because you are standing there 4 hours. You should use the washrooms before you enter the examination hall. Otherwise, it's a trouble, student. And don't try to drink any water or anything during the exam. A lot of children you will see they are drinking a lot of water. They are the restless people. They are not focusing. They will lose the concentration, student. Lose the concentration because they are weak, weak students. Student, we have weak personality, weak strength. Immune system is also very weak. They are just undergoing, I mean, depression type of situation. You will see all that. You know about it. Sometimes, I mean, one can ourselves be a part of that. I'm not saying that. Unless emergency is there, student, I don't drink water. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So, students, we are sufficiently packed. So, next question on the screen. All the sample papers are teaching us many things, that what experiences we will have and how do we handle. All problems should be sorted when we are in the examination hall. We should be relaxed. We should be comfortable, student. We have sufficient time to answer the questions. There is nothing that any anxiety. No, no need of that. Assertion. Carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol. Yes or no? Is it
Yes, sir.
carboxylic acid? What are carboxylic acids? RC double bond OH. Why carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol, student? Even this question has been asked. What is the reason?
Sir, because
What happens?
the negative charge is delocalized over two oxygen atoms in carboxylate ion, whereas it is less effectively delocalized over one oxygen atom in phenoxide
This is
ion.
also undergoing resonance. This is also undergoing resonance, student. Important question. But oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. There, the negative charge is going on the carbon ring. You can see oxygen can accommodate, carry more, I mean, negative charge more easily because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So when negative charge is dispersed over two oxygen, that is a more stable situation. As compared to this, the negative charge is also delocalized on the benzene ring. They are carbons. This is oxygen. So two oxygens can disperse the negative charge better as compared to the oxygen and carbon. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason carboxylic acid are more acidic. Therefore, we are understanding everything because this question has been put up in some other paper, student. Why carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol? Though phenol is a resonance stabilized phenoxide ion. This is my phenoxide ion. All right, this is the correct statement. Reason phenols are orthoparadirectic. Is the statement right or wrong, student?
Yes, sir, it is right.
It is also the correct student statement. Is that the reason for the acidity of the carboxylic acid?
No, sir.
No. We have already shown you here.
Yes, sir.
It is not the reason for the assertion. Then what is the answer, student?
It will be B.
It will be answer is B, student.
B.
15th answer is B. Okay, you get one full mark for that, student. But I have taken time. I have taken time. But once I start understanding it, student, what will happen? I will take less time. But I know how to do it, student. If a different question is put up in assertion and reason, I can answer that also. Because the question paper is not this one or the final paper. It is only a sample paper. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So don't think that these questions are coming. This type of questions are coming, student. Sample means what? It's a sample paper. Okay. Question number 16th on the screen, student. Question number 16th is on the screen, student. What is the question here? Methoxyethane reacts with HI to give ethanol and iodomethane. Assertion. Is it the,
Yes, sir, this is true.
let me see,
Okay.
CH3O,
O C2H5.
CH2, CH3. I am relaxed, student. I am not in a hurry. Reacts with HI is a very important
HI.
reaction, student. This I have told you in my lectures of ether, student. I question is coming in the paper. What is the product?
CH3I,
Plus,
CH3CH2OH.
why? What is the reason for this? What type of reaction is this?
Uh,
Here, what type of alkyl halide will be preferred? This is a, both are primary, but this is less substituted. This is more substituted carbon. You see, this
okay.
carbon is 1 degree, this carbon is 1 degree, or
One
rather it is
degree.
0 degree. And there is no carbon beyond that. Supposing.
Yes, sir.
But then this is more substituted. This is least substituted.
Okay.
So what we said in that the product will be the CH3I will be the least substituted, student. That shows it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction.
Reaction.
And the nucleophilic substitution reaction like SN2, what happens, student? You get the least substituted. If it becomes a tertiary, then it changes the mechanism. SN1, then tertiary carbocation is formed. You have seen in the NCERT book. We have shown the mechanism of this reaction, student. So this is the correct mechanism. Even mechanism of this can be asked. Let me tell you, very important point. Please check it out. This is a question, important question coming the paper repeatedly. This is correct statement, student, no doubt about it. Reaction of ether with HI follows SN2 mechanism. That's what I am talking about, student.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is SN2, then what will be the product of this I least substitute? Right?
Yes, sir.
Least substituted, least sterically hindered. HH atoms are very small, student. They are the least hindered. This is a bulky group. So that is also correct statement. Is that the reason for the assertion?
Uh,
Is that the reason for the assertion, students?
no, sir.
No, sir. Then what is the reason?
एक minute, sir. More substituted. हाँ. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I have told you one thing, that choice A and B is where students do
Yes,
mistakes,
sir.
because here some doubt element exists. But I have clearly said this is answer to mechanism. That is the reason why it is formed, student.
Yes, sir.
Answer for student, reaction of ether H is SN2. This is the reason, that is why this product is formed. This is the correct
A.
reason. Therefore, the answer
A.
is A, student. The answer of 16th is A. Any doubt element exists, student? Any doubt element exists? Tell me.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, no, sir. Very good. A very important and vital things I am talking about, student, is because I am not discussing just one sample paper. Here I am talking of so many things, and you will see the result of this, student, because I am discussing in complete detail. All the revision is going on in these lectures. The revision is going on these lecture, students. Those who will follow it, they will score 100 out of 100 marks, and will help you a lot in the NEET paper, student. What I'm talking, those assaultive and these type of questions are coming everywhere. Objective type of questions are coming everywhere, student. The section B part of it says following questions are short type and carry 2 marks each. 2 marks each. Question number 17th. It is 2 marks. Question number 17. With the help of resonating structure, explain the effect of presence of nitro group at ortho position in chlorobenzene. A question has been taken from NCERT book now.
Yes, sir.
You can see what he says. Effect of nitro group at ortho position in chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. What is the chlorobenzene, student? Chlorobenzene. And you have a nitro group here, student. At which position?
Ortho.
Ortho position. What he is, can you tell me what type of question is this? What is effect on what? I mean, what type of reaction he is talking about, students? What type of reaction he is talking about, student? Tell me. You see that I am giving 30 seconds to thinking is required for everything. Think, student. What type of reaction we are talking about? You have seen in the haloalkanes, student. When I say haloalkane, student, The most important reaction is what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. You have OH minus. What happens? It attacks this carbon, and what do you get? CH3, CH2OH. What type of reaction? Nucleophilic substitution.
Nucleophilic substitution.
But here you said this bond actually becomes partial double and difficult. This is difficult to break this bond. Yes or no question has been asked in the
Yes,
paper.
sir.
It has a partial double bond character
Pa-
sp2
pa-
hybridization. But it was shown in the NCERT book. If we start attaching nitro groups at the ortho position, what happens, student? The nucleophilic reaction is facilitated. Is it facilitated? Nucleophile
Yes,
comes.
sir.
This will facilitate the attack of nucleophile on this carbon. We have to show that type of structures. Do you understand what I'm saying? Got my point? What will happen? So what is the story? We have to show it resonating structures. What is he asking? 2 marks question, student. How much? 2 marks. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Some picture
Okay.
can be drawn now. I think what I'm trying to say, that I had student Cl and I had N double bond O. Now I am saying a nucleophile. It could be in the NCERT they have used OH minus. OH minus is a nucleophile, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen, student, if this type of arrangement is there, what is happening? You know, this type of attack is possible now. Because the nitro group is electron withdrawing by resonance, what will happen? This carbon will become positive and nucleophile attack is facilitated. Yes or no? So
Yes,
the
sir.
result of this is, student, what is happening then? You have a Cl, you have a nucleophile, and then this, what happens to the pi bond, student? What happens to the pi bond? This comes here and this becomes O minus. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
I'm drawing the resonating structure. That's what he's asking for. Okay. Okay, let me erase it because I don't want any confusion. 2 marks question. If I do a mistake, then I will not get. Now, what is going to happen? This will go back. Okay. And students, because one arrow. You have been told about the arrow, students. Okay. Because it's a 2 mark question, student, I have to be careful.
Okay.
Why pi bond shifts means 2 electrons are shifting. Right? This is a complete arrow shifting, not a half arrow. Fish arrow also we have shown. Then what will happen, student? Nu. Here I've shown Nu could be this OH minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is still there, student. Now what happened? NO. वापिस आ गया. फिर where
Yes,
is the
sir.
double bond going here? And the negative charge goes here. ठीक है? Negative charge goes here. What happens further? This goes here and this charge goes here. What will be the product, student, then? If this takes place, I'm writing here. This is, I'm saying 1, 2, 3 and 4. ठीक है? So that there is no doubt.
Yes, sir.
After 3, 4. This is my Nu student. This is my Cl student. This is my N. If I don't show a coordinate bond, then I will have to show a plus charge on the nitrogen, because then it will become 4 bonds. You know that what I'm trying to say. Okay. So what happened then?
Yes, sir.
This comes here, student, and this is shifting here. This becomes negative 4. What happens then further, student? This aromaticity has been destroyed. That means the stability of benzene ring has been disturbed. It wants to come back to more stable. Aromatic system is more stable, you already know. So it wants to come back to the aromatic system. Does it? Whenever you will destroy the
Yes,
aromaticity
sir.
of benzene, student, sooner or later it will revert back, because aromatic system means higher stability. So what is happening then? This goes here, and then this Cl leaves, student. That I what I was doing nucleophilic substitution, ठीक है, facilitated by presence of NO2 at ortho student, by due to resonance. This was a question basically. I have written this also in the paper so that there
Okay.
is no doubt left. You have noted what happens then? What is the
Yes,
final
sir.
product coming? I'm not hurrying up because 2 marks question is there, student. I will not get marks otherwise. The nucleophile comes here. This becomes aromatic again. Okay?
Okay.
And Cl minus is out. This is my 5. This is the complete answer of this. Got the situation?
Yes, sir.
The students will find some errors in this question, because the 2 marks may be given in the form of half plus half plus half plus half, based on the structures which you are trying. Half mark may be there if you are writing what is the meaning of this. Students may not be understanding this question. If you don't understand the question, then you cannot answer the question. So I have labeled everything 1, 2, 3. These are the resonating structures. He asked for the resonating structures. Okay? We have what we have shown,
Yes,
student.
sir.
Resonating structure. Whenever mechanism will be asked also, then I have to show it everything. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Choice is given. How can you carry out the following conversion, aniline to chlorobenzene? You already know, student, what reaction I am using. Tell
First,
me.
we can disonium salt Sandmeyer reaction.
Sandmeyer reaction. What are the conditions?
NaNO2, HCl, and 0 to 5 degree.
Okay. What is the product here you are getting, student? What do you get?
N2 plus Cl
Then
minus.
what do you react?
CuCl.
Or Cu2Cl2, cuprous chloride. ठीक है? What do you get?
Yes, sir.
Cl
Chlorobenzene.
chlorobenzene, student. Okay. 1 mark. Because there are two now. One. This is 1.
Yes, sir.
This is 1. ठीक है? Not more than 2 steps, he says. 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane, student. What is 2-bromopropane? What do you want to prepare, student?
1-bromopropane.
I will write the product first. Now how you can remove this and produce it here?
We can first add alcoholic KOH.
Alcoholic KOH. What happens? Dehydrohalogenation.
Yes,
CH3
sir.
CH double bond CH2.
CH double bond
Then
CH2.
then
Then we can add HBr and peroxide.
peroxide. What is this?
Anti-Markovnikov.
Anti-Markovnikov addition. How many steps I have written? 2 steps. 1 mark. The 1 mark may be considered as half plus half. ठीक है? Half plus half. Half plus half. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Half of marks makes 1 mark. Student in board paper. Got the problem?
Yes, sir.
Got my point, student?
Yes, sir.
All right, student, this ends up the topic here, but the sample paper is not yet finished. Therefore, instead of Tuesday, I'm not taking class. Instead of the Tuesday, Thursday, let me take another class tomorrow so that I can try to do more questions because this is important, very important. So as early as we do, because we have more papers with us than to practice. So tomorrow
Okay.
again we will have another class, student, for the continuation
So,
of.
sir, for Tuesday and Thursday, we will not have class.
No, then in that week, two classes I'm already taking before that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because one class I've taken today, one I will take tomorrow. So then we'll
Okay.
meet on Saturday. Then finally, I want to finish certain
Yes,
important
sir.
questions so that we have more time to do more questions. My point is that
Okay.
certain question papers are coming to us, so we are trying to see that how we will be able to solve. I want to give a large amount of practice to the students so that they can score full marks in the coming paper. Therefore, there will be need of some more type of revisions also, which will be done. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So we'll see tomorrow again at 6, and I try to do more instead of Tuesday and Thursday. We will try to do those. So okay then, good night. I hope you have understood and everything very clearly, and
Yes, sir.
I really enjoying and working for these type of questions which are coming in the
Yes, sir.
paper. Okay then, good night.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good night, students. All the best.